childhood snack desserts, whatever we call it. So we'll start with Oreo. Yeah, Oreo. We'll start with Oreo. Gotta love Oreos. Put an S here. Uh, let's just take a random. Sugar cookies. No. Only tastes good on Christmas. Let's take cake. I'm not a big cake fan. But some cakes are good though, so I'll put it in B tier. Yeah, B tier. Yeah. Or B tier. Yeah. Oh, we got a strawberry ice cream. Classic strawberry ice cream. Love it. I'll put it in A tier. We got, what is that? Chocolate? No, it's Oreo. Let's put it in A tier. Yeah. Oh, we got popsicles. B tier. You know, that cool, but we got freshly baked cookies. Those are good, bro. I'll take it in B tier also. We got s'mores. Oh, those are so good, man. I gotta put them in A tier. So those are freshly. What? Those are freshly baked cookies. Okay. B tier also. So we have Smarties cookies. Also B tier. Or yeah, B tier. No, they're better in A tier. Yeah. Just yeah. I like that. What is that? Is that pancakes or like sugar cookies? What is that? I'm be safe and just don't rate it. Can someone in comments tell me what this is? Oh, next, white chocolate. I actually don't like white chocolate. It's like C tier, Sorry for all the white lovers chocolate. We got ice cream, Smarties ice cream, donut thing. I don't know. A tier also, We got donuts. Oh, I love donuts. It's classic S tier. Then we have the classic chocolate. I'm gonna put it in B tier. I love normal chocolate more than white chocolate. We got candy. I love candy. A tier. Yeah. That was all. Hope you liked the video.